Hi viewers, cracking joints is manipulating one's joint to produce a distinct cracking or popping sound. Studies show that as many as 55% of people crack their knuckles. Most of the people do this effect to reduce stress and nervousness. Some people are doing this to hear the sound of the knuckle cracking. Men are doing this effect more frequently when compared to women. Let's see what causes this sound effect. Joints are covered by a capsule. Inside the joint capsule, there is a fluid called synovial fluid. It is a thick liquid. The fluid cushions the ends of the bones and reduces friction when you move the joints. It protects the cartilage from wear and tear. The other functions of synovial fluid is to supply nutrients to the cartilage. The synovial fluid contains a variety of gases like nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide dissolved in it. When you pop or crack a joint, you are stretching the joint capsule. This lowers the pressure inside the joints and creates a vacuum. In this low pressure environment, some of the gases that are dissolved in the synovial fluid forms gas bubbles to fill up rapidly. This causes the cracking sound effect. When a joint moves, the tendons also move slightly out of its place. The sound is also caused by the tendon when it returns to its original position. These two mechanisms make the cracking sound. Once done this effect, you have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes to crack again. The air bubbles within the synovial fluid usually take 15 to 20 minutes to redissolve into the fluid. Cracking knuckles effect gives a relaxed feel. Cracking the knuckles is harmless, but it is dangerous when done frequently. It weakens the tendons and may cause ligament tear. Cracking knuckles increases the probability to be affected by arthritis at old age. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, subscribe to our channel.